reviewing this truck real quick. This is the Mitsubishi. I don't know what the hell this thing is. This is the world's strongest, powerfulest truck right here, man. Let me reverse the camera real quick for y'all. Check this thing out, bro. Check this little thing out. We got the 15-inch wheels right here. Superstar battery. Go on the inside cab, 4-speed stick shift truck, With the AC, heat, radio, stereo system. Man, get you one of these trucks, man. Things last forever. Get one imported from Japan. We got the right seat drive here, Check this thing out, man. That's one awesome ass truck. Awesome ass truck. Get you one of these, man. This thing beats the Ford Raptor by far. Honestly. Now I'm about to clock the hell out and go home. But get you one of these little bitty ass trucks. That thing icy as hell. Look at that. Woo. Get you one. Pick you up one now, special order. I'm out.